This little bump is definitely giving stepmother supervillain, and I don't I don't like that. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now this wig right here is an update to another wig that I just did a couple months ago, and y'all love that wig, especially for that price point. Under $100 for a textured bob. Listen. Okay, Bob. Nadula said, you know what? We heard you, Kai, and we don't want you talking about us no more, so we're gonna fix those issues and give you a little extra, plus keep it the same price. Get your change purse. So if you wanna see the install for this unit and hear about what I think about it, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this wig is from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you wanna check it out, you can. Hold up. Let me show y'all real quick the old one. Like I told y'all, I've been real intentional about putting my wigs back in the box so Ken can't only give me the side eye, and my kids, because they be looking kind of crazy too. She done been through it. I didn't wore her out, but she's still under $100. I did bump her like once or twice since the initial install. For this wig, my focus was that hairline. I was trying to get the hairline to, you know, lay down flat, but they had cut the lace straight across. This was a pre-cut closure wig, so you wasn't getting a bunch of parting space, but when you put her on, did your little thing, ooh, she looking rough. But you see how the hair looks? I did have to tint my lace, and the hairline was straight across. They cut the lace straight across my face, and Nadula, they knew I was coming immediately with the shade, because how dare you? How dare you do that to me? But they said, you know what? I'm sorry. And they upgraded this wig. Let me not look crazy on purpose. Where's my brush? Let me brush it out real quick so I can look like something and not just anything. The hair is a little stiff, but nothing a little curl can't help. Butterfly in the sky. She cute for a little look. I can do a little something real quick, but you know, I don't want to. I want to see the upgrade. So let's go ahead and take this one off. Let me see what this upgrade is hitting on. It comes with the bag, a crochet hook for whatever reason. I mean, I can't have too many, so okay. Your bag of goodies if you need it. Got the band here. I'm gonna need that later. And I got the wig. This is a very quick install because I just want to show you guys the updates for the wig. We're unpacking it together. The lace on here is a 6x4.75, so you know you get a little action around, like around the temple area, so that's not bad, especially for my big old head. I can work with that. This is what the lace is looking like now. They gave us that wavy look. Thank you. Wait a minute, is that bleached knots? Surprise, surprise. Okay, they bleached the knots. I didn't know that. Y'all can see that bleach kind of bleeding onto the hair though. Dang it. Almost Nadula. Don't rush the process. So we'll have to fix that hair in there because it definitely is brassy, but they didn't bring it all the way to the hairline. So I still will need to go in and blend that lace, but the hairline is plucked pretty nicely and the hair texture is nice. Y'all look at that. Look, now the cap construction is the same as the other. 6x4.75 lace parting space. Has the 2 combs on the side, the silicone nape grip around the back of the wig, and then it comes with the adjustable, detachable elastic band. Oh, that's snug. Wait a minute. Let's loosen that band up a little bit. About to give myself a concussion in here. Lord. Okay, bundles. Layers in the wig. No. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. I had to check. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Hey, Dad.
It's my son home. So I'm like, I'm going to call her and ask her. I'm not going to call him. I'm going to call her.
This little bump is definitely giving stepmother supervillain. Oh, Meredith. And I don't, I don't like that. Does it stink? I mean, there's like a smell in there, so still wash your wig. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to give it a little whole bath because it's not super strong. I can work with that. Dry shampoo and water. Not too much. Pat it in, brush it in, do what you gotta do. And then my brush, I got that real quick. So I'm gonna get my makeup product. Now about to say, take my makeup product. This is my Mocha 360, because the lace is a little ashy, but I don't wanna go too heavy-handed. I'm gonna do a light dusting around there just to blend that lace in, get rid of that ashy tint. I may need to go in and cut those corners off because they kind of sticking out a bit depending on how it's sitting on your head. There is hair on there, so you can probably like blend that into like a little swoop. All right, here we go. It's definitely giving a very snug but comfortable fit. Did y'all make this cap bigger or is my hair flatter? Big head friendly she is, but she doesn't come all the way down to the sides because it's a closure wig, a pre-cut closure to be exact. So you will not have sides on your wig. Let me just clip it back, pull out the Nairobi, use that around my hairline. I don't want big swoops. I just want to move that hairline around. Bring that down. It's very easy to work with this hairline. I like that. Use the mousse to your advantage. You are now looking at the fastest wig installer. I be on TikTok way too much. Okay, now I'm just kind of bumping the ends where they need to be bumped, and then straightening what needs to be straightened. Bump, bump, bump. I think that's it for the bumping. Pretty easy. I need to use some, a little bit of grease on the top of here. Them flyaways are starting to kick up. Bring my front back, just bump it over. Ooh, I don't wanna burn my forehead. Bring it over like that. Here we go, here we go. And get a little bit of my Blue Magic here, like that. Work it around that parting space where them flyaways are. Put some on the front right here. Let's take off the band so we can fix our hairline. Ooh, my ear was pinned down, baby. I think I'm gonna use my powder here first just to see if it blends it. It's gonna make it ashy. Let me just go ahead and stop right there. I'm gonna use my contour to blend this in. That cream contour definitely helps. Now I need to brush these hairs back because they're a little unruly. Use my contour again in the middle just to blend this in. That parting space just looks super wide because of that bleach. I'm gonna use my old mascara to try to blend this in. There we go. Gotta let it dry in. And then just to make sure my top is gonna stay down, I'm gonna use my hairspray, extra hold hairspray, just right up here. Right across the front. Lay that down. Hold on. This piece of lace right here. Let me just cut that out. If I want to put this behind my ear, I can definitely do that. I can just use a little bit of my edge control to blend in my edges. Let me shift mine down a little bit more. I was trying to figure out what was wrong with my wig. I had too much forehead showing. It was, how you doing? When you have a lot of forehead real estate like me, my forehead can be whatever I want it to be. And today I want it to be small. Hang up the phone right now. Daddy Papa can't wait. This is for the sneaky link. Nadula, for $95? Whose hair is this? Mine. Listen, King Kim will be home soon and this is gonna be my play wig. Hello? Pull it on, pull it off. I like that. I like that. Look at the movement, y'all. Ooh, I like a wig with movement. Now just understand, y'all saw my other yak. She got stiff. This one will too, okay? Too much wear outside, not enough care inside, she gonna get stiff. But this is cute. This looks good. The only issue, I know, I hate to say it, the only issue I can find with this wig is the bleach knots. Be careful with that, okay? You don't want too much brassiness going on in the parting space. Let me just put a little bit just right here. It's a little gappy right there. But you know, cute, not cute, what you thinking? Y'all know I don't care, come on. Are you new here? I am getting some shedding with this unit though. I didn't cut the wig at all. So be mindful of that. You may lose a little bit of hair on your unit. I'm not getting no snags or tangles though, so you know, that's always good. I don't got that stepmom supervillain bump no more, but I do have that checkbook. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.